Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams using Power Automate. This is a fantastic way to streamline your meeting setup process and save time when coordinating with your team. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Once you're in Teams, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Here, you need to click on the three dots icon, which opens up additional options and features. From the menu that appears, select Workflows. This is where Power Automate integrates with Teams, allowing you to create automated processes that make your work more efficient. After clicking on Workflows, you'll see a template library appear on your screen. This library contains various pre-built automation options designed to help you accomplish different tasks within Teams. In the search bar at the top, type in Schedule a Meeting. This will filter the templates and show you automation options specifically related to meeting scheduling, making it easier to find exactly what you need. From the search results, locate and click on the template that says Schedule a Meeting with people in this chat or channel. This particular workflow is designed to automate the meeting scheduling process for everyone in a specific chat or channel, which is incredibly useful for team collaborations. Once you've selected this template, click the Save button to add this workflow to your Teams environment. Now here's an important part. You'll need to wait a moment while the workflow is being set up and configured in your Teams account. This process takes some time, so be patient and don't close the window. The system is connecting all the necessary components and ensuring the automation works smoothly. Just give it a minute or two to complete the setup process. Once the setup is complete, navigate to the left side of your screen again and click on Chat. This takes you to your Teams chat interface where you can communicate with your colleagues and team members. Now look for the text field at the bottom where you normally type messages. Right next to it, you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to reveal additional options and integrations available within your chat. From the menu that appears, click on Workflows. This will show you all the workflows you have available, including the one you just set up. Select Schedule a Meeting with people in this chat or channel from the list. This opens up a form where you can customize your meeting details. In this form, you'll need to input a title for your meeting in the designated field. This helps everyone understand what the meeting is about at a glance. Below that, add a description that provides more context or an agenda for the meeting. This ensures all participants know what to expect and can come prepared. Next, adjust the meeting duration according to how long you expect the meeting to last. You can typically select from preset time options or enter a custom duration that fits your needs. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Submit button. The workflow will now automatically schedule the meeting and notify all the people in that chat or channel. And that's it. You've successfully automated meeting scheduling in Microsoft Teams using Power Automate, making it much easier to coordinate with your team. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.